This is up on a housetop. This time this is a tutorial for playing this as a accompanist. And this is a fun one to sing at Christmas. So that's a pretty good thing. We don't need to play the melody in the right hand, so we'll do our chord in the right hand. I'll show that to you first. And then the only other thing you need to add is the root note down low for the bass when you're ready for that. So this is the first chord. It's a C, F chord. I'm going to play it like this: C, F, and A. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. That goes to a B flat chord there. D, F, and B flat. That's how I'm going to play it. Out jumps Doodle. Go back to the F chord there. C, F, A on the top. Good old Santa Claus. Santa Claus is going to be a C chord, root position there, C, E, G. Down through, that's another F chord, C, F, A. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. There's your B flat chord, D, F, B flat on the top. All for the little ones, back to the F chord there. C chord on Christmas, Christmas, joys, another F chord there. Here's B flat, D, F, B flat again. Ho, ho, ho. There's your F chord, C, F, A, go and go. Now this is C7, which is B flat, C, E, and G. Now that's a little bit trickier. If that's too hard, just do the regular C chord. There it works. But that's C7. Who's ho, ho, ho. There's your F chord again. C, F, A. Who wouldn't go up on the housetop? There's your B flat chord. D, F, B flat. Click, click, click. Back to F. Down to the chimney with. There's your C7 again. B flat, C, E, G, good Saint Nick on the F chord. So pretty simple there. Then we need to just add that root note down low. So when you're playing your F chord there, F note down low. When you're playing B flat, that's your bass note, B flat. When you're playing C, C is your bass note. And this is what it sounds like when you put it all together. Up